You don't know what is this? Come on now. BMW M1 or 1M, I think. This is when BMWs were BMWs. I believe this is looks like a Corvette. This is a Pantera.
Bricklin.
I don't know what a Bricklin is. Yep. Look at the pearl on this.
Yeah.
All right.
BMW M1.
M1, yo. Bro, look at the interior. This is when you know you live in California. Man, just leave the keys on the seat. This is when you know you're in a comfort zone. Yo. You could just leave your keys on the seat and just be like, you know what? I'm comfortable. Yo.
Take it for a spin.
No, because here's the sad part. Most people can't drive manual. So even if you was to jump in, I mean, where you gonna go with it?
Yeah, drive. Like,
No, this is clean.
why are you keys in?
Different.